Are you ready to click upload but you just forgot to do the most important thing, which is your YouTube thumbnail? Do not worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to do a thumbnail in 3 minutes using just Instagram. Yep, Instagram. So the only thing that you will need is a phone that you're going to take a picture with. You will need your background to be like this, so nothing on the background, so it's a plain background wall. And you will need light from a artificial light, or you will need light from a window, whatever works as long as you have light. And then you will take a picture on this phone. So let's get to it because we only have 3 minutes. I'm gonna start the timer quickly. Let's go. Okay, our time is running, so the first thing we're gonna do is take a picture using this phone right here. I would highly advise that you actually take your picture using a back camera. Do not use the camera from the front camera of this phone. Use the back camera of this phone to take a picture on the phone. So the next thing that you're gonna do is you will go to Google, search for a color. So I've got a color yellow that I like. I will save that photo to my gallery, and then you're gonna head over to Instagram. So we'll go to Instagram. We'll head over to Instagram, and that color that we have there, we will use it to then take ourselves on the picture that we have saved. So you'll go back to your gallery, go to your images, take that picture that you took, and you're gonna separate yourself from the background like this. So if you have an iPhone, you will just grab yourself, copy and paste yourself to Instagram like that. And then I will put my little self in the corner there. The next thing you want to do is you want to go on Google again, and you want to now search for a logo of what I'm gonna search a YouTube logo. So I'll go there, and we'll take a transparent logo because you want to copy the text of this logo. So I'll copy that, and I'll go back to Instagram and I will paste that logo over there. So it's easy. All you need to do is use your 2 fingers and pinch to zoom in and zoom out. And we've got that here. And then I'm going to also then now use I'm gonna type here YouTube tips. I like this font, so I will use this font, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it right over here. So I like myself being in front of text most of the time, and I like the color red, so I'm gonna change that color to red so that it does pop, and I'm gonna put myself above the color right there. I've got 49 seconds and I'm actually almost done, you guys. So I actually am done, so I will just make myself a bit bigger like this. Now I'm making myself too big, so I'm just gonna fix the last things that I wanted to fix on this thing. I'm going to grab this text. I've got 29 seconds. Oh, I'm chilling. Okay, and then I'm going to grab this here. I want myself behind it, and there you are. So if you want to save it, just click there and you're gonna click on save, and now you have your YouTube logo your YouTube thumbnail right here, and it is ready to upload. So now you can upload your YouTube thumbnail to your YouTube video and you are good to go. Our 3 minutes is up. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click subscribe and follow for more tips on how to do thumbnails or edit anything on your phone or on your computer. Let me know if you have any other thing that you'd like me to assist you with, and I'll see you in the next one.